Hi Study Club, my name is Stephanie Lucia and I am here to show you guys how to make money without getting your hands dirty. Essentially, my goal here is to only have you in the room for delivery. So join me as I make an orthotic from start to finish.
Scan the patient, upper and lower the scapular bite, okay? And I need you to make an orthotic hard, soft, clear suck down one. So we're gonna need to print the models. Once you print them, then you're gonna do the suck down.
We've been part of the Omnicam family for about 5 years now, and we got the Primescan about 5 months ago. And let me tell you, I love it. It's fast, it's accurate, the scans are clean, and it just makes my life so much easier. So once we're done with the scanning, we're going to export the STL file and save it onto our desktop in a folder. Once we have it saved in here, we're gonna go ahead and open the MoonRay software. From the folder where the STL files are saved, you're going to click on it and drag onto the software. We're gonna let it load. And the second one. Once that's done loading, you're going to adjust both of these so that they are right next to each other. Once they're right next to each other, there's going to an icon is going to appear that says fix. We're going to go ahead and click on the icon, and that is going to make a base for the model. And it's going to load as well. It's going to take its time, and you're going to do the same thing for the top arch to be teeth down, right? So once you fix it, it'll flip the model so that it has the base there. We're going to click on the top arch, highlight it, go to the toolbar and click cut. Now the reason for this purpose, for this step, is for 2 reasons. Obviously we want to save material and we want to cut down the time. We want this to be faster, right? So we're going to raise this up, raise it, and then we are going to click OK. Now by doing this, like I said, it's going to cut off excess so we save resin. And like I said before, it's gonna process the model, it's gonna load it, it's gonna cut everything off. And then ideally, once we're done with this, it'll be set and ready to print. If you click away from the model, you can see, voila, we've reduced the time to 37 minutes. We just want to make sure that everything's sitting down properly. We're going to move this over here and this a little to the right. And we are officially ready to print. Let's head to the pro. So now our models have been printed. Voila! A little messy, but we're about to clean them up, cure them, and get them ready for the orthotic. And here we have it. We're ready to carve out the rest of the material and make this into an orthotic. So I am currently using a heating element to cut the plastic and form it. Once we've carved out all of the excess, we'll go over with the acrylic burrs as well as with the acrylic wheels to to polish off everything, all of the rough edges, and make sure that has a nice smooth feel. Polishing's done, the orthotic is ready, and thanks to the Primescan as well as the 3D printer, the SprintRay Pro, we can achieve orthotics just like this.